Today we have a little unboxing to do. So I got one of these at the store. Let's see if this is a perfect SpongeBob popsicle. Okay. Three, two, one. The heck is that? You call yourself SpongeBob, but you ass. Your teeth look like a bunny rabbit. What the heck is wrong with you, man? You call you... Okay. This is SpongeBob. This is... If Patrick drew SpongeBob without knowing what he looked like. Oh, it looks so bad. I mean, his pants are a little good. His bow tie aren't good. His teeth are bad, but his eyes, dang, it's like Pennywise whenever he's like, come play with me. Dang, you ugly, man. And I'll see you for another video of opening up a new...